Let's talk boat insurance. Do I need it or do I not need it? All right, so you've gone to the boat dealer, picked out your boat, found the one you want, and you're thinking, do I need boat insurance? If you go to finance your boat, yes, you do. Okay, most banks, credit unions are going to tell you you need insurance for that boat. Now, if you're paying cash, not necessarily. Okay, some states don't require that, right? But if you're financing, yes, you're going to have boat insurance. Now, you can get depreciated value insurance, okay? Just like when you're buying a car, over time depreciates. So if you ever do have an accident, God forbid, you never want to have that. Nobody wants to have that, okay? That's why we have insurance. Cover ourselves. All right? Adjuster comes out, they look at it, or a surveyor comes out, they look at the damage on your boat, and they tell you, okay, this is how much the insurance agency is going to give you. Now, if you do cash for cash, actual cash value insurance, okay, you're going to get what you paid for that boat to begin with, regardless of what it is. All right? So your boat is non-operable anymore due to something you did or somebody else did, whatever, and you want that money, you want to go buy a new boat, okay? You want to buy the same boat, all right? Well, cash for cash, yes, you can. Now, they're not saying that they're covering that if your 2024 Mako went up 10 grand, you're going to get an extra 10 grand in your pocket. But if you bought that boat for, say, $40,000, okay, to start, $40,000, that's what you're going to get, all right? So that's not a bad deal. And you work off of that. Now, another thing to consider is something goes wrong with your boat, okay? Engine, trolling motor, fish finder, something dies, all right? It's under warranty, all right? Should be covered under a warranty. Say that warranty expires and you've got insurance. You want to file a claim, we'll go ahead and file a claim. All right? You're going to have XYZ in what you put down on the boat. Okay, that covers the boat portion. And you have XYZ for what you put down for your electronics. XYZ what you put down for your fishing equipment if you fish. Right, these are the little things that add up. And here's a good case in point. Right now on the Mako, right? Bob's jack plate, all right? There's fluid leaking out of the reservoir. At least that's what I assumed it was. Okay? So, now I'm covered under warranty, right? Boat's brand new. This shouldn't even be occurring, but it did. It does. All right. Go down, check it out. Bob's jack plate comes back to the marina, and they go, hey, I think it's an O-ring. That's what we're having trouble with and we're seeing lately. Probably an O-ring over in this area. We're sending you to the place, and parts, and get it done. Okay? Excuse me. Now, if this all of a sudden just went and my warranties are gone, and let's just say that O-ring was like $600 or something like that. You think I want to pay $600 out of my pocket for that crap? That's why I got insurance. All right? I'm going to go to my insurance. They're going to have a surveyor, adjuster. They do it with the boat. Come out, take a look, and they can compromise with whoever they got to compromise with and get the part. Insurance, peace of mind. All right? It's peace of mind. Now, that's basically why I bring up the topic of insurance is people are like, oh, I don't need insurance. I'll be fine. It'll be okay. Nothing will ever happen to me. I know what I'm doing. Yes, you may know what you're doing. And you're going to have that one bad day even when you know what you're doing. I've been boating for many years. All right, I've had my boater certificate for many years. There's still little teeny tiny things I forget. But I'll tell you what, as I see it more and more, and us that have been out there boating for quite a while, we see it every day. All right, the weekend warriors. All right, we call them the weekend warrior squad. Look at me, I just bought a brand new boat. I take my kids tubing. I'm out with the wife, going to have a great time. Okay, and they've got no etiquette whatsoever, none. They just bought a brand new boat and haven't got a clue. All right, here in the state of Florida, it's not mandatory for you to have a boater safety certificate. Okay, if you're over a certain age, all right, you're good to go. State of Connecticut, state where I came from, oh yes, you will have a boater certificate. If you want to operate a jet ski in the state of Connecticut, oh yes, you will have that as well. Okay, mine covers both. All right, so when I came down here, I didn't have to take a course. I already had a course, but still, that's the way the state of Florida is. A little more lenient. All right, they say you're over a certain age, you should be smart and know what you're doing. Well, we all know how that works in just the world, period. So yes, it might not be you, the seasoned boater, but it's going to be somebody that hasn't got a clue, and that's a perfect reason why you want insurance. All right, my Cobia, same thing. I had insurance on that, all right, to the hilt. All right, same thing as I got here, cash for cash. Take it out on the lake. Some Yahoo rents a jet ski. You think they got the cash to pay for your boat? No, but I bet you that rental place does. Yep, and that's who you're going to be suing to get that money and get your boat. Yep. So, just a little thing, guys. Insurance, probably not a bad thing. Now you say, well, I got a 10-foot John boat. I've got a 12-foot dinghy, an inflatable. I don't think I need that. Here's another thing to consider. Right? You might not need that for that coverage, for that type of boat. But what happens if you get injured on your boat? What happens if you injure somebody while on your boat? Okay? I mean, when we think insurance, we're just thinking the loss of our boat. So, all right, $3,000 watercraft, maybe you don't care. All right, $100 dinghy, $500 dinghy. You get my point, right? You're like, whatever, that's nothing. Next paycheck, I'll just go and buy it. And if I have a ton of money, well, I got 10 of them in the backyard. Doesn't matter to me. Okay, but you hurt somebody when you're on the water, or somebody gets hurt by your actions while you're on the water. Now you get a lawsuit. Okay? Here's where insurance comes in. All right? X, Y, and Z on your policy. Okay? Covers those medical bills, those dental bills. Okay? So it's very, very much something to consider when you're having a watercraft. All right? And it's some things that we don't consider while we're having a watercraft is having insurance. All right? Believe me, I was kind of like, well, I have a smaller boat now. I'm thinking, do I really? Yes. Yes. Because it's not just peace of mind for me. It's peace of mind that if some Yahoo out there does something, while we're on the water, oh yeah, I'm covered. Also, insurance. Okay? Sometimes they have tow packages. You break down on the highway. All right? They send a tow company. Call the insurance card. They send a tow company. They're able to pick up your boat and your trailer. Okay? Also, if you're so many miles out at sea, they will send like Boat US or Sea Tow to come and get you. Now, right now we have Sea Tow. Right? This is the second time I've had Sea Tow. We'll stick with Sea Tow. They cover at least 75 nautical miles out. Am I doing that in my shallow water bay boat? No. No, I'm not. All right? It's a light tackle skiff. So no. I'm not going 75 miles offshore. No. But say on a good clear day, I'm 10, 20, 15, whatever it is, and something happens. Yup. Get on the marine radio and call them. Yep. Okay? It's all peace of mind, folks. All peace of mind. It's not just I bought a brand new boat and I've got a U.S. Coast Guard package and I am good to go and I can take off from the dock. No. Please, think it over. Okay? Boat insurance. Shop around. I'll tell you, I got Progressive. For what I pay for the year on my 18-foot Mako LTS, I am good to go. I'm very happy with Progressive. I had Progressive last time for the Cobia. Very happy with Progressive. Okay, I've got my boat, my motor, my trailer covered. I've got my equipment covered. I've got my tackle covered. Okay, anything that goes out on that boat with me, we are covered. Okay, medical insurance, it's all in the package. It's all there. All right, might have to call around. I can tell you, I have State Farm for my regular truck insurance. They can't beat the price of Progressive. Regular stuff like Allstate, State Farm, they're pricey. They're expensive. Okay, they might be great with homeowners. They are not great with boat insurance. All right, Progressive deals with boat insurance all day, all night. I went with them again. So yeah, that's what I got. But like I said, if something went wrong with that Bob's hydraulic, reservoir, jack plate, that whole scenario right there, if I didn't have insurance, I might be, up the creek without a paddle. So I'm glad the warranty covers it. I'm all good right now. Obviously, it's a brand new boat, and I've got platinum coverage, okay, for my engine, my boat. So I'm good to go. All right, I'm good to go. I'm going to keep that platinum coverage on there. But I'm just saying, if that coverage went out, that warranty is gone, something happens, and it's an astronomical amount of money, well, I'm going to have to go through insurance. That's why we carry it. Many goods, many goods. All right, folks, hope you found this video informative. Try to bring all the best content to you that I can. Really quick video. We'll see all of you on the next adventure. Take care, everybody. Oh, by the way, subscribership. You guys are smashing it. Smashing it out there. I appreciate it. I totally do. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. All right? Get these videos out there. Break the analytics. Let's get to 500 this year, folks. Get to 500 this year. I think we are 166 subscribers away from 500. I mean, we're around the corner. I mean, we're peeking over it. So let's see if we can smash that and get there. All right, everybody. Take care, and we'll see you out on the water.